Okay, so if the perimeter of our hexagon is going to be 48 feet, and we want to go through the process of calculating the area, we look at our formula, which is 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. We already know the value of our perimeter since that was given to us, but now we need to go through the process of finding the apothem. If we have a perimeter of 48 and we're looking at a hexagon, that means that one side length is going to be 48 divided by 6. So 48 divided by 6 is 8. So each side on the hexagon has a value of 8. That means if we want to calculate our apothem, which is the distance from the center to any of the sides perpendicular, then we are going to cut that 8 in half right here to get 4. So if we have this right triangle, we want to think about what would be the angle that we want to use right here. So I know that if I were to cut this up into different equal parts for a hexagon, if we did 360 degrees divided by 6, that's going to be a 60-degree angle. That means for the one that I'm looking at right here, this angle, since we bisected my side, that is going to be an angle of 30 degrees. So now we're actually looking at a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. So there's several ways you could solve this. You could use trigonometry. So SOHCAHTOA. We have this 4, which represents the opposite side of the 30-degree angle, and we're trying to solve for the apothem, which is the adjacent side. We could use tangent of 30 degrees here to solve, or since we know that this is a special right triangle, I know that the side that is opposite from the 60-degree angle has to be 4 times the square root of 3. So now I'm going to use that in my answer here. And we should get a value of 2 times the square root of 3. A total area rounded, since I multiplied by the square root of 3, 166.28 if we round here. That's going to be square feet. And actually you don't have to round. We could give a final answer that's exactly equal to 96 times the square root of 3 square feet. That would be the best answer. But if you did have to round to a decimal, that's what you would get.